Hello and welcome. Take a moment, read the problem, pause the video, and try it on your own. Okay, we have a problem with a lot of reading, so I'm going to scan the context of the problem and scan the choices here to see what they're looking for. What do they want us to do with this data? And then we'll get to work. So it says Isaiah collects data from 2 different companies, each with 4 employees. The result of the study, based on workers' age and salary, look at age and salary, are listed in the tables below. So we see the workers' ages here in this column, the 4 workers for each company and the money they're making, the salaries. Which statement is true about these data? They want us to know about the median, the mean, the range, and the mean. So those are the things we're looking for. So we could find it on the graphing calculator, but I like to list them out. I think with especially small data sets, it's just so easy to do. So let's look at company 1 first. Here we have company 1. I'm going to write the numbers in ascending order, which they did for us already. We have 30,000, 32,000, 35, and 38. So the median is halfway between 32 and 35. So to figure it out, you can picture it or just add these two numbers and divide by 2. So it's 67 divided by 2, which is what? Well, it's 35 times 2 would be too high. 30 times 2 is too low. 33.5 is just right? So it's $33,500. Notice I scaled this down because we don't need to deal in thousands. It's all proportional. I scaled everything down by 1,000. So this is really 33.5 thousand. That's our median, sometimes called the second quartile. And then the second data set, we go, here's the first data set, second. 29,000, 35,000, 37, 65. So again, the median's right here. 35 plus 37 divided by 2. This is easier to see here. It's just 36, right? Because we have 60 plus 12 is 72 divided by 2 is 36,000. So now we know something. We know that the median in company 2 is higher. So let's see what it says here. The median salaries in both companies are greater than 37,000. It's not true for either one. Anything else about the median? No. Now we look at the range and the mean. I'll look at the range first because it's easier to look at. Range is the highest value minus the lowest value. So for the first one, the range, R I'll call it, is 8,000. In the second one, the range is from 65, right, to 29. 65,000 minus 29,000 is 36,000, right? R is 36. So what do they say about the range? Let's see. The salary range in company 2 is greater than the salary range in company 1. Yes, that's true. That's the answer. Now the mean, if you had to compute it, you would add up all the numbers and divide by the amount of numbers you have. So you'd add up in company 1 all 4 salaries and you divide by 4. And the same thing's true here. You'll add up all 4 salaries and divide by 4. I went for the median and the range questions first because it requires a little bit less work, and that actually paid off quite nicely here. All right, hope this helped.